Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Christian Siriano short hair flamingo nightgowns. Not nightgown, I'm sorry, it's a flamingo pajama. So it's a short and a tank top. So they're both lined with happy little nice pink lace on the shorts and both the bottom of the tank top, which is really cute. I find this print to be really pleasing. I find the pajamas to be really comfortable. Let's see. So Christian Siriano, I'm sure you know, designer for Project Runway, and he was a winner, and he's gone on to do his own high lines and lower lines. He's done stuff with Payless, and he's also put out his own brand of Christian Siriano for New York. But this sleepwear is really comfortable, especially for summer. It's really nice. I would say, yeah, you can lounge around. It's luxe rayon spandex, which feels really nice on the skin. It's very nice knit jersey fabric, and it's comfortably stretchy to offer plenty of give as you move about. It's not just pajamas, it's a style. So this is a super fun one. I think this one is really cute. But in particular, I think this really shows off his fun character, and this is really cute for summer because pink flamingos are fun on the lawn. So yeah, I just got these, so I've worn a pair of his other ones, but tried these on and they fit really well and I love them. So now you can really wear stylishly cute pajamas for women by a world-class renowned designer from New York to Paris, Christian Siriano. So it basically is an all-inclusive size. It goes from size small to a 4X, and the prices are really good. And for pajamas, you really can't get, I mean, like the quality that they have at Target and then Walmart, not as great. And this is actually, you know, it's a nice different choice to go with as opposed to just going to Target or Walmart. You can always go online and find something fun. So yeah, these pajamas are absolutely great. I've slept in his long pajamas before, and the long pajamas are really comfortable. I really barely noticed that they're there because these were so easy and breezy and good for the summer. So, and these are just perfect for summer. They're just, I mean, the pink flamingos are absolutely adorable. And I don't know if anybody has any friends or family that has pink flamingos on their lawn, but I put them in with my plants. Yeah, so this is what they look like. They're absolutely adorable. Nice little shorts, nice little tie, real cute. But yeah, nice price point. The quality is good. I enjoy them. They make great gifts. They'd be definitely great to take on vacation, especially to like Las Vegas or to Mexico. They're, you know, super fun. They're ones that you want your friends to actually see. And it's got, this one doesn't have a pocket, does it? No pocket on this one. On the long pajamas there's pockets, but no pocket on this one. But this is something you'd want your friends to see. So take it on a girls trip and show off your pink flamingos and have a good time with that. One trick my aunt told me about going on a trip is that she takes all of her old underwear with her and disposes of them on a trip. So she brings them up for the trip, and those are her old underwear, and she throws them away. I don't suggest you doing that with your nightwear. You want to look nice if you're on a friend trip, or if you're with your husband, you know, something cute to wear to bed, a little sexy. Got the little bit of lace at the bottom, which is nice. So definitely a good 4 stars out of 5 stars from me. And I think you shouldn't take my word for it. You should check them out yourself. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy these little pajamas.